I hope you are all good and doing well. Welcome back to our science class. This is your science teacher, Miss Egu Renka. How is your health, children? Don't neglect about your health. Health is very important. Okay, eat good food and be healthy. Okay, children. Today I have come up with one more science topic, that is the 12th lesson, our food. Okay, children. What is that? Our food. We completed the 11 lessons in our textbook, and today I have come up with the 12th lesson in the 6th unit. The 6th unit, 12th lesson, our food. What is that, children? Yes, our food. Okay, I am so happy to tell about our school uploaded approximately 400 videos. Okay, children, don't waste your time at your home. Watch the videos and understood the topic. And so many times I told you that after watching the video, you must need to read a textbook. So as early as possible, take the textbooks also. Okay, children, read at your home. Don't waste the time and be healthy. Finally, stay home and stay safe, children. Okay, let us enter into our topic. Today, first of all, we discuss about our food. We eat different kinds of food. The food contains proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. We will discuss about proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Okay, which food item contains proteins and which food item contains carbohydrates and which food item contains vitamins and minerals. That's it. Okay, and next one, good eating. What are the steps for good eating? Okay, after that the second of review, total wrap up. This is the bird's eye view of this lesson. Okay, children. Okay, let us enter into our topic. This is very small topic, children, and it is very easy. And in the previous classes, means in the first class also you learnt about this, our food. Okay, all living things need food to live. Yes or no, children? All living things, plants, animals and human beings also need food to live. ప్రతి ఒక్క జీవికి కూడా ఆహారం అనేది అవసరం జీవించడానికి. Yes or no? Yes. All living things, not only plants, animals, not only plants, animals and human beings need food to live. And the food gives us energy to work and play. The food gives us energy. Food తినడం వల్ల మనకు శక్తి వస్తుంది. Okay? By that we have to play and work. The food gives us energy to work and play. Okay? And by eating the food, we are very strong and be healthy. Food makes us healthy. We are eat different kinds of food. As our children all are eat the same food item? No. By that reason, so many members eat different types of food items. For example, you take yours. Sometimes you eat breakfast with idli and chutney. Sometimes eat puri. Like that, different items we eat. Okay, and every food item contains some nutrients. Okay, every food item contains some nutrients. Here our food is divided into 4 types: proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Some food items help us to grow. మనం పెరుగుదలకు, మన శరీర పెరుగుదలకు కొన్ని ఆహార పదార్థాలు సహాయపడతాయి. And next one, some food items give us energy. కొన్ని మనకు శక్తిని ఇస్తాయి. And some food items help us to keep healthy. ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండడానికి కొన్ని రకాలైన ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ అనేవి మనకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. Okay, by that here the food is divided into 4 types: proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Okay, first of all we learnt about proteins. Okay, children, the proteins are help us to grow. The food items that help us to grow are called proteins. మన శరీర పెరుగుదలకు ఉపయోగపడే ఆహార పదార్థాలే ప్రోటీన్స్. Okay, proteins help us to grow. And next one, the proteins makes the bones and muscles grow strong. cheese, peas, beans, etc. contains the proteins. These all food items contains proteins. Okay, by eating the protein food we grow very strong, we grow very long, and the bones and muscles grow strong. Okay, did you understand? Next one about carbohydrates. Some food items give us energy. Energy means sickness. Some food items give us energy. That energy giving food items are called carbohydrates. What is that? Carbohydrates. Food items like rice products, wheat like chapati, oil, these are all the food items give us energy, and potato also. Okay, potato contains also carbohydrates. Okay, the food items give us energy, those are called carbohydrates. Rice products, wheat, chapati, potato, and oil also gives us energy. Those are belongs to the carbohydrates. Okay children, and next one, vitamins and minerals. The vitamins and minerals help us to keep our body very healthy. మనం ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండడానికి vitamins and minerals అనేవి help చేస్తాయి. Here fruits and vegetables contains vitamins and minerals. Fruits and vegetables contains vitamins and minerals. And the vitamins and minerals keep us healthy and they keep away from diseases. మనకి ఎలాంటి జబ్బులు రాకుండా కాపాడుతాయి. So we must eat fruits and vegetables. Fruits like apple, orange, pomegranate and many more. And vegetables like brinjal, what next? Drumsticks, leafy vegetables and many more. By eating fruits and vegetables, we are very healthy and they keep away from the diseases. Okay, this is about proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Okay children, basically the food is divided into many more types, not only these four types: fats, fibers and water. But in the further classes you will learn about that. Okay, at your standard this is enough. Okay, once again I explain. First of all, our food is divided into four groups: proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Here the proteins help us to grow, and the proteins makes the bones and muscles strong. The food items like milk, cheese, peas, beans, fish and meat contains proteins. Okay, next one, carbohydrates that give us energy to work and play. Carbohydrates, the food items like rice products, wheat, chapati contains the carbohydrates. Next one, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are needed in less amount, but they help us to keep our body very healthy. Okay, all fruits and vegetables contains the vitamins and minerals. Okay children, vitamins and minerals. Here by eating the vitamins and minerals, they keep us healthy and they keep away from the diseases also. Okay, this is the first of. Next, did you understand? Next we will learn about good eating. Good eating. For this we have some points in our textbook. I will read and explain children. Listen carefully. Okay, once you see our textbook, page number 16. Good eating. We must eat clean and fresh food. మనం పరిశుభ్రమైన ఆహారాన్ని మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. We should not eat stale food. STALE. Stale means stored. నిల్వ ఉన్న ఆహారాన్ని తీసుకోకూడదు. Eat food at a proper time. సమయానుకూలంగా ఫుడ్ తీసుకోవాలి. We must eat enough food. మనకి తగినంత ఫుడ్ మాత్రమే మనం తినాలి. If we eat less, we will become weak and tired. మనం తక్కువగా ఆహారం తీసుకున్నట్లయితే చాలా వీక్ అయిపోతాం మరియు అలసిపోతాం. If we eat more, we will become sick. అలానే ఎక్కువ ఆహారం కూడా తీసుకోకూడదు. ఎక్కువ తీసుకున్నా కూడా ప్రాబ్లమే. So we have to eat a limited food. Okay, we should not eat the food sold by roadside hawkers. It is not clean. It may carry germs. Germs will make us sick. Okay children, roadside hackers, రోడ్డు మీద అమ్మే వస్తువులు కొనుక్కొని తినకూడదు. బికాస్ ఇట్ కంటైన్స్ జంక్స్. చాలా రకరకాలైన క్రిములు వాళ్తాయి కదా వాటి మీద. సో రోడ్డు పక్కన అమ్మే వస్తువులు జంక్ ఫుడ్ ఏవి తీసుకోకూడదు. అవి తినడం వల్ల మన ఆరోగ్యం నశించిపోతుంది. We must eat in clean place using clean plates and spoons. మనం పరిశుభ్రమైన ఆహారం తినడంతో పాటు మనం తినే ప్లేస్ కూడా క్లీన్ గా ఉండేటట్లు చూసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ తినే యుటెన్సిల్స్, తినే పాత్రలు కూడా క్లీన్ గా ఉండేటట్టు చూడాలి. We must eat slowly, chew the food well. Eat slowly, నెమ్మదిగా ఆహారాన్ని నములుతూ తినాలి. ఓకే, somebody swallow the food, but we have to eat slowly and chew the food. Okay, మింగిపోవద్దు, నమిలి తినాలి. We must wash our hands before and after meals. ఓకే, తిన్న తర్వాత అండ్ తిన్న ముందు హ్యాండ్స్ అనేవి వాష్ చేసుకొని తినాలి. తిన్న తర్వాత కూడా వాష్ చేసుకోవాలి. We must close our mouth when we chew the food, moving jaws freely. Once again you see, we must close our mouth when we chew the food. Okay, moving jaws freely. ఆహారం నమిలినప్పుడు బాగా నమిలి తినాలి. ఓకే, then by chewing the food the jaws also moving freely. Okay, these are all the some of the good eating habits. Okay children, good eating habits. We have to eat in a clean place and we have to eat the fresh and clean food, fresh food, and we do not eat a heavy food. If we eat enough food, we are be healthy. Okay, if we eat the less food, we become sick. Otherwise, if we eat a heavy food, it is also becomes to sickness. Okay, and we do not eat a junk food, and the food sold by a roadside, it is also carries germs, so it is very unhealthy. Okay children, that's why we do not eat the roadside food also. And at the time of eating, we have to chew the food and then swallow the food. Okay, somebody's directly swallow the food, but that is not correct. First of all, we have to eat the food slowly and chew the food, then digest the food. Okay, these are all some of the good eating habits. Okay children, I hope you would have understood. And next one, once I explain this chart, once you observe this chart children, clear? Okay, once you observe, there are so many food items. Okay, this chart is related to this lesson. Once you see, what is the first one? Pistachio nuts means pista pappu. Okay, and next one, almonds, badam. Next one, peanuts, walnut, cashew nuts, and raisins. Endu draksha, raisins means, you know, peanuts means, yes, groundnuts. And walnut, it is also one of the fruit. And next one, cashew nuts, jeedupappu, and raisins, endu draksha. Okay, these are all the some of the food items which give us healthy. And next one you see, tea, tomato soup, coffee. Next one, milk, orange juice, mineral water, cool drink. Yes, here Pepsi. These are all the beverages items. These are all the, okay. And next one, once you see like this, clear? Next one, chocolates, biscuits, donuts, and candy, and jujube. Jujube means red pallu. Okay, candy means sweet. Edana mithai candy antaru. And you know, chocolates, biscuits, and donuts. Donuts means it is looking like a ring. Okay, one of the food item, it is looking like a ring. These are also some of the food items children. And next one you see, bread and buns, sandwich, and cheese, and butter, bread and jam. These are also one of the food items. Next one, cake, fruit tart, pastry, cream roll, sandy. Next one, ice creams. These are all the some of the food items. Okay, different types of food items. Okay children, once you see, I think most of the members like the chocolates and ice creams. Okay, energy, and some food items help us to keep healthy. Okay, by that the food items are divided into proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Okay, by eating protein food, the proteins are help us to grow. Mana perugudalku upayogapade proteins. And next one, the food items like peas, beans, milk, cheese, etc. contains the proteins. Okay, and next one, carbohydrates give us energy. The food items like rice products, chapati, next one oil, potato and many more give us carbohydrate food items. Okay, give us carbohydrates, give us energy. Okay, the food items contains carbohydrates, that's why they give us energy. Next one, vitamins and minerals. All fruits and vegetables having the vitamins and minerals. By eating fruits and vegetables we get the vitamins and minerals. Okay, they help us to keep healthy and they keep away from the diseases also. And next one, we will learn about is good eating. By how to develop a good eating habits. We eat in a clean place and we eat a fresh and clean food. We do not eat a junk food and roadside food. And next one, why we do not eat a roadside food? Because the food items contains germs. The germs causes illness. That's why we do not eat that. And if you have to eat the enough food, and at the time of eating, first of all we eat slowly and chew the food. Okay, this is all about good eating. Okay children, this lesson is completed. In the next video I have come up with this lesson reading and textbook exercises. I hope you would have understood the topic. Thank you for watching the video. Namaste.